Hello, and welcome back to Coca English, the place where we explore one single word in every episode. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. We are so happy to have you here. On this channel, we believe that every word has a story. We take one word and we look at it from all sides, like looking at a beautiful diamond.
That's right, Sam. We talk about what it means, how to say it, and most importantly, how to use it. Learning a language is like building a house. You need good, strong bricks, and words are our bricks.
Exactly. And today, we are going to look at a very small but very important brick. It's a word you often see and hear, but its story is quite interesting. Today's word is Mrs.
Mrs. Yes. It's a very short word, isn't it? Just 4 letters. But it holds so much meaning. Let's say it together, everyone. Mrs. Now, you might see it written like this, M-R-S. And in writing, there is almost always a dot after it, Mrs.
Good point, Layla. So, what does this little word do? Well, Mrs. is a title. A title is a special word we use before a person's name to show respect or to tell us something about them. Other titles are Mr. for a man or Miss for a young woman.
So we use Mrs. before the name of a woman who is married. That is the simple answer. If a woman is married, we often use Mrs. to be polite and formal. For example, imagine a teacher. Her name is Sarah Jones. She is married. Her students will call her Mrs. Jones.
Right. You wouldn't just call your teacher Sarah Jones in class. That would be too informal. Using Mrs. Jones is polite. You see it on letters, in emails, in formal introductions. So if I see a letter for my neighbor and it says Mrs. Anna Smith on the envelope, I know it is for Anna Smith and that she is married.
Now, let's talk about how to say it. It's a little tricky. We don't say the letters M-R-S. No, we say it as one sound, Mrs. Listen, Mrs. Can you say it, Sam?
Mrs. Mrs. Jones is my English teacher.
Perfect. So it sounds very similar to another title, Miss, which is for an unmarried woman. Miss sounds like miss, but Miss is has that is sound at the end. Miss is. It's a small difference, but very important.
Let's have a little practice. I will say a sentence, and you, our wonderful listeners, can repeat it after me in your mind. Ready? Sentence 1. Mrs. Brown makes very good cake. Sentence 2. I will send an email to Mrs. Wilson. Sentence 3. Excuse me, Mrs. Davis, can you help me?
Excellent practice, Sam. Now, here is a very important question. How do you use Mrs. correctly? The rule is simple. You use Mrs. plus the family name. The family name is also called the last name or surname. You do not use it with the first name alone.
Let me give you an example. There's a woman. Her first name is Mary. Her family name is Johnson. She is married. We can call her Mrs. Johnson, but we do not call her Mrs. Mary. That is wrong. It is always Mrs. plus the family name.
Exactly. It's the same rule for Mr. You say Mr. Johnson, not Mr. Mary. So, to make it super clear, let's imagine a story. Imagine a small town. In this town, there is a bakery, the best bakery. A woman named Lisa Taylor owns this bakery. She is married to Tom Taylor, so everyone in the town calls her Mrs. Taylor.
Oh, I love this story. So one day, a new family moves to the town. A young boy named Leo goes to the bakery. He wants to buy some bread. He is very polite. He says, "Good morning, Mrs. Taylor. Can I have one loaf of bread, please?" And Mrs. Taylor smiles and says, "Of course, young man. Here you are." Leo is happy because he was polite and he got some delicious bread. See, using Mrs. is a simple way to show good manners.
But wait, Sam, the world is changing. In the past, it was simple. Miss for an unmarried woman, Mrs. for a married woman. But today, there is another title for women, MS.
Ah, yes, MS. This is a very useful title. You say it, Ms. We use Ms. when we don't know if a woman is married or not. Or sometimes a woman prefers to use Ms. because she doesn't want people to know if she is married or not. It's for any woman, married or not.
So, if you are writing an email to a woman and you are not sure if she is Mrs. or Miss, it is always safe to use MS. For example, "Dear Ms. Parker." It is polite and correct.
So to review, Mr. for all men, Miss for unmarried women, Mrs. for married women, and Ms. for any woman when you are not sure.
Perfect summary. Now, let's think about Mrs. in culture. You see Mrs. everywhere. In books, in movies. There is a very, very famous book called Mrs. Dalloway, and there are so many characters in stories, like Mrs. Potts from Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, the teapot. Yes, she is a lovely character. And of course, in the famous Harry Potter books, there is Mrs. Weasley, Ron's mother. She is a very kind and strong Mrs. who always helps Harry.
So, you see, this small word is everywhere. It's a small key that helps us open the door to polite conversation and understanding.
Before we finish, let's do a quick quiz. Are you ready, listeners? I will give you a situation and you think about the answer. Situation 1. Your teacher is a married woman. Her name is Kate Brown. What do you call her?
That's right, Mrs. Brown.
Situation 2. You get a letter. On the envelope, it says Ms. P. Brown. What does this tell you? It tells you that the person sending the letter might not know if P. Brown is married or not, or maybe P. Brown prefers to use Ms. Smart.
And situation 3. You meet your friend's mother. Her name is Jessica Brown. You want to be polite. What do you say? You can say, "Hello, Mrs. Brown. It's nice to meet you." She will think you have very good manners.
Wonderful. We hope that makes the word Mrs. very clear for you. It's a small word, but using it correctly is a great step in your English learning journey.
And now it's your turn. We love hearing from you. Learning a language is more fun when we do it together.
Yes, so in the comments below this video, we want you to write a sentence. You can use the word Mrs. Try to make a sentence about a teacher you like, a character from a book or movie, or even imagine a friendly neighbor.
For example, you could write, "My favorite English teacher is Mrs. Brown. She is very kind." Or, in the movie, Mrs. Smith is a very funny character. We will read every single comment.
It's your chance to practice. Don't be shy. Just write one sentence. We are here to learn from each other.
Thank you so much for listening to Coca English today. If you liked this episode, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new word. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep building your English one brick at a time.